I have had my Levoit for several years now and it still works great, but today we have to change the air filter or clean it out, and how you know that is from this indicator light right here. So we're going to change our air filter today. Another thing is you have 3 levels in which you can have your fan running. We usually keep it on level 1, and what I love about level 1 and this machine, aside from it cleaning our air, is that it acts as a white noise machine. Can you hear it? Now, if you want to turn it up, you simply press on the fan button. You can go to level 2, and it gets louder. And level 3, which is even more loud. If you had a dirty room, I could see using a level 3. I find it loud because it sounds like an air conditioner is running, and we really just don't need that. Additionally, you can set your Levoit air purifier on a timer, and these are your timing options that you have right here. We personally keep ours running 24/7. There is a quieter evening mode. And if you don't want the light on, you can simply turn this light off and on right here. I personally like to just keep it on so I know what it is. And you can put the lock feature, so when young ones come over and want to push buttons, it doesn't change the settings that you currently have. Okay, let's go to changing that air filter. Okay, so my husband is going to take the top off of the Levoit here and show how to change the air filter. So you turn it over, and on the bottom is this handle which you're going to twist and basically pull up your filter right out of the bottom of the unit. It simply comes out, and look how filthy that is. No wonder the light was on. Yeah, pretty bad. So you can find replacement filters here on Amazon, or if you have an air compressor, you can usually blow this out pretty clean with an air compressor. We have blown our filter out with an air compressor. We do that probably 3 times before we actually go ahead and buy a new filter. So here we have our cleaned filter, and we're going to drop it back into the air purifier and screw the lid, or the bottom, the base, right back on.